Hello, it's Kristen from MYNT3D with some teacher appreciation, inspiration. Today we're making a Post-it note holder that will look adorable on the teacher's desk and is super useful. Download the Teacher Gift Project template from the MYNT3D website. Grab your ABS filament and heat your 3D pen to 210 degrees Celsius. Start by tracing the template outlines in black and fill them in. This project captures our favorite classroom motifs: apples, pencils, and lined writing paper. Teachers love gifts made by students, and this is certainly one that parents and kids can do together. Once you have the Post-it holder panels finished, assemble them with your 3D pen. Add your teacher's name for a personal touch. Be sure the side panel holes line up and are wide enough to hold a pencil. We at MYNT3D would like to thank all educators for your hard work and dedication.